Smartsheet or Jira, two project management heavyweights, one big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Smartsheet, Excel-powered project management. On the right, Jira, agile issue tracking and development workflows. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's the roadmap for this video. We're gonna compare Smartsheet and Jira across a bunch of categories: ease of use, automation and customization, views and visualization, integrations, security and compliance, and yeah, the all-important pricing. Stick around because the differences, they're kinda wild. Let's get things rolling with ease of use. Smartsheet is, well, it kinda feels like you're playing with a supercharged version of Excel. Honestly, it's got that intuitive spreadsheet vibe, so if you love spreadsheets, onboarding is a breeze, especially thanks to their handy templates. And this is for my newbies out there, once you dive into more complex setups, things can get kinda slow. Manual syncing also means you'll have to keep track of changes yourself. Now Jira steps in with that agile-first interface. Tons, and I mean tons, of documentation, but yeah, that comes with a catch. The learning curve is pretty steep. If you're not from a dev background, the UI can feel a little, well, crowded. So between the two, Smartsheet definitely wins on ease of use for most people. Moving into automation and customization, Smartsheet is pretty good here. You can tweak workflows, set up automated approvals and alerts, and create dashboards. For non-dev teams, it's kind of perfect. But for more advanced development stuff, it feels a bit limited. Now Jira, literally built for flexibility, it's got a beastly drag-and-drop automation builder, and you can run global rules across all projects. It's super powerful, but brace yourself, the initial setup can make your head spin if you're new. So when it comes to raw automation, yeah, Jira takes this round by a mile. Let's talk views and visualization. Smartsheet absolutely shines, honestly. Grid, Gantt, cards, calendars, it's all there, and you can set up dashboards for all those nitty-gritty business insights. But a heads up, it's really geared towards data-heavy stuff. Now for Jira, well, if you're into Agile, you're gonna love the Kanban and Scrum boards, plus roadmaps are solid for planning sprints. However, if you want non-Agile visuals, you might feel a bit boxed in. So Smartsheet is our pick here, especially for anyone juggling spreadsheets and project timelines. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Smartsheet is often called Excel on steroids, while Jira is basically the favorite for software teams all over the globe. Who knew spreadsheets and Agile boards could spark such loyalty, right? Next up, integrations. Smartsheet works beautifully with Office 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud, which is awesome for business teams. The one catch here is if you're in a developer-heavy environment, you might find it lacking. On the flip side, Jira is basically the integration king for software teams: GitHub, Figma, all the Atlassian suite goodies. But if you're not coding 24/7, those integrations might feel a bit much. Honestly, both shine for their crowd, so I'm calling this one a tie. Let's hit security and compliance. Smartsheet, super strong on GDPR and HIPAA compliance, good privacy controls all around, not as tailored for Agile, but it's honestly got your back on privacy. Jira comes with ISO 27001 certification, which is huge if you care about securing Agile processes. Not as good for non-dev compliance needs, but still pretty robust. If we're being real, both are solid, so it's another tie. Finally, pricing, yeah, this is what everyone wants to know. Smartsheet goes for tiered plans depending on your business size, but watch out, those premium features can add up fast. Jira's pricing is user-based, feels flexible at first, but once you toss in add-ons, you'll want to double-check your bill. Honestly, they both like to sneak extra costs in, so for most teams, it's a tie. If you map these scores on a radar chart, Smartsheet sweeps ahead on ease of use and visualization. Jira is the heavyweight champ on automation and dev integrations, with the rest kind of neck and neck. Super interesting to see how each tool finds its own lane. So bottom line, if you're a business team tracking tons of data and tasks and want that familiar spreadsheet-style workflow, Smartsheet is a total game-changer. If your world revolves around Agile, issue tracking, and developer integrations, Jira is, honestly, unbeatable. Pick based on your team, not just the hype. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.